We're here on the 7th floor of a mansion block in central London, installing a Guardian warm roof. And this project has been a specialist project for Guardian and our certified fabricator and certified installer team. And we're really pleased with the results.
The whole conservatory really was getting quite old. It was about 25 years old and really needed replacing. So it was then that I looked at Guardian.
One of the benefits of the Guardian warm roof is its versatility and flexibility from a design perspective. So when we do have slightly different jobs or slightly unique jobs such as this, then it's perfect for our design team, our fabricator team, to modify and design a specialist roof for an installation like this.
If we have a bespoke or specialist roof, the fabrication process itself remains the same. We follow a process. We try to do as much as possible in the factory to make it safer and more efficient for an installer on site.
It's really much more a part of the flat rather than just being a conservatory. It's really a much nicer room, a nicer place to be in. So I'm hopeful we'll use it quite a lot more.
I think when it's a specialist job like this, the fabricator and installer really work well together, and it's that unique partnership that enables us to do these very interesting and specialist jobs. So the fabricator will work very closely with the installer on all of the design, structural elements, and make sure any kind of unique elements of the roof are factored in. And through the build process, the installer has the opportunity to work with the fabricator on any kind of modifications that are required on site when these things happen, when it's a specialist job.
It all went very well, and as you can see, the finish looks very good. Certainly based on my experience, I'd recommend Guardian warm roof. It really seems a great improvement.